Good morning, everyone. Now we are going to discuss the multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers, we have the rule to multiply proper or improper fractions. Multiply the numerator first and then the denominators. Write the answer in its simplest form. Okay, so we have the example A over B times C is equals to, you're going to multiply numerator to numerator. We have A times C, and denominator to denominator. We have B times D. So we have A times C equals AC, and B times D is BD, where A, B, C, D are integers, and B and D, as much as possible, is not equal to 0. Okay, so we have example number 1. Let's start with example number 1. We have 3/4 times 2/3. Okay, so by applying the rule, we are going to multiply numerator first and the denominator. So we have 3 times 2 over 4 times 3. Okay, so what is the product? If we multiply multiply positive 3 and 2, okay, so we have 3 times 2, we have 6, okay, 4 times 3, we have 12, okay, and take note, this 6 over 12, can we reduce it to lobes third on the simplest form? Okay, so we have, by dividing number, the common factor with the greatest common factor 6. So 6 divided by 6 equals 1 over 12 divided by 6. So we have 2. Okay. So the answer is equals to 1/2. Next example. So we have number 2, 11/10 times 4/3. Okay, so multiply 11 times 4, is our numerator, then 10 times 3, 3. And simply multiply 11 times 4, we have 44. Over 10 times 3, we have 30. Okay, so 44 over 30, can we divide it? Can we reduce to lowest term? Yes, okay. Okay, what is the GCF of 44 and 30? Okay, we are going to divide common factor, greatest common factor by 2. Okay, let's try by 2. So, 44, divide natin siya sa 2, we have 22. Divide naman natin yung 30 sa 2, we have 15. And that is our product. Okay, next example. So, meron tayong 4 over 11 times 15 over 2. So, simply multiply numerator and our denominator is 2. Then, 4 times 15. So, meron tayong 60. Then, 11 times 2, we have 2. Okay. So, final answer na ba to? 16 divided by 22? So, hindi pa. So, find the GCF of 60 and 22. Let's divide by 2. Kasi Kasi yun lang yung number na pwede sa kanilang dalawa. So, we have 60 divided by 2, 30. 22 divided by 2 is 11. Okay? So, that's it. So, ganyan po mag-multiply ng rational number. Alright? So, how about if we multiply rational numbers with mixed numbers? Okay? So, multiplication of rational numbers. To multiply mixed numbers, first we are going to convert them to improper fractions. Okay. Then proceed to the multiplication same as in the previous example. Okay. Okay, so to convert the mixed number to an improper fractions, multiply the whole number by the fractions denominator and that to the numerator. Okay, so then write the result as the new numerator and the same denominator. Okay, let's try. So let us have example number 1. Having 1 is given in the mixed fractions and 1 is in improper fractions. Okay. So first, we are going to yung 2/3, 2 and 2/3, we are going to change it into mixed number. Okay? So multiply 2 times 3, 6 plus 2, we have 8. Okay? And over 3. Okay, we have the new numerator, 8 na siya, and our denominator is we're going to copy lang. Then, multiply. Multiply by negative 5 over 14. Okay. Then, multiply by applying the same rule. We have 8 times negative 5. We have negative 40. Over 3 times 14. So, we have 42. Okay. Pwede pa silang ma-divide. Pwede pa natin silang kunan o i-reduce sa lowest term. So, divide natin by the GCF 2 over 2. So, 40 divided by 2 or negative 40 divided by 2. Okay, so we have negative 20. Then, 42 divided by 2. Meron tayo. Okay, so we have 21. Okay, so our product is negative 20 over 21. Okay, so next example, we have 3 and 1/10 times 5 and 4/3. Again, we are going to first i-change mixed number to improper fraction by simply multiplying the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Okay, so 3 times 10, so we have 30. Okay, so 31 over 10. Then, times 5 times 3, we have 15 plus 4, okay, we have 19 over 3. And multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So, 31 times 19. Okay, so we have 589 over 30. Okay, so what did you notice? We have 589 over 30. So, it is considered as lowest term O naka-lowest number siya? O naka-simplest form na pa ba siya? O kailangan pa ba natin siyang i-reduce? Okay, so hindi na. Kasi ito, 589 is already our final answer. Okay, so let us have the last example. So, number 3, we have 1 and 4 11 times 3 and 9 halves. So, again, we are going to change first this 1 and 4 11 to mix two improper fractions. So, we have 15 over 11. Why? 1 times 11 is 11 plus 4, 15. Then, times 3 times 2, we have 6 plus 9, 15 over 2. Then, multiply 15 times 15. So, 225. Then, 11 times 2, we have 22. As you can see, 225 over 22 is already in the form of simplest form. Okay, or hindi na po natin siya ma-reduce to lowest term. It's already in a form of lowest term. Okay? Now, you already know how to multiply rational numbers. And now, we are going to recall what are the things to consider if we multiply rational numbers. Okay, so we have the rule number 1, to multiply proper or improper fractions, multiply numerator first and the denominators, and write the answer in its simplest form. Okay, number 2, to multiply the mixed number, first, convert them to improper fractions, then proceed to multiplication. Number 3, to convert a mixed number to improper fractions, multiply the whole number by the fractions denominator, then add to the numerator, then write the result, the new numerator using the same denominator.